You ever look outside on a beautiful day and think, wow, I'd love to sit out there if it weren't for the bugs, the heat, the wind, and oh yeah, the surprise rain that always seems to show up right when I get comfortable? Well, that's exactly why people add sunrooms. It's the best way to enjoy the outdoors without actually being outside. But before you start planning, let's talk about the different types of sunrooms, their benefits, and what you need to know before adding one to your home. I'm Scott with JSB Home Solutions. Sunrooms are one of the best ways to bring natural light into your home and create a seamless connection to you and the outdoors. But before you start planning, it's important to understand what a sunroom is, the different styles available, and what to consider before adding one to your home. In this video, we'll break it all down so you can make the right choice for your space. Then head over to our website so you can download our Sunroom Edition Planning Workbook. This free resource will walk you through all the decisions you'll need to make as you build the perfect sunroom for you. You'll find the link in the description. A sunroom is an enclosed space with large windows designed to let in natural light while protecting you from the elements. Unlike a full home addition, a sunroom isn't meant to be fully insulated, permanent living space, but it does create a bright, inviting area that bridges the gap between indoor and outdoor living. Now, not all sunrooms are the same. There are a few different types, and knowing the difference will help you pick the right one. A 3-season sunroom is perfect for spring, summer, and fall. It's not fully insulated, so it gets colder in the winter, but it's a more budget-friendly option. A 4-season sunroom is a fully insulated space that you can use year-round. It usually also includes heating and cooling, often with a mini-split system that doesn't have to be integrated with your home's HVAC system. JSB builds 3- and 4-season sunrooms, as well as screen rooms. A Solarium is a sunroom with floor-to-ceiling glass walls and even a glass ceiling. It's great for soaking in the sunlight, but can get hot in the summer without proper ventilation. A Conservatory is a European-style sunroom with decorative glasswork, often used for growing plants or adding an elegant touch to a home. Solariums and conservatories are not as popular in Ohio as other areas that get heavy snow in the wintertime. The glass roofs won't hold up well to a heavy snow load and would be costly to replace. So why add a sunroom to your home? Here are a few big benefits. More natural light means a brighter home and lower energy bills. Extra living space for relaxing, working, or even entertaining. A connection to the outdoors without dealing with bugs or harsh weather. It can increase your home's value if designed well, sometimes making back 50% of your investment. Before you jump into building a sunroom, here are a few things to think about. Budget. A 3-season sunroom might cost between $10,000 and $40,000, while a more heavily insulated 4-season room can range from $25,000 to $80,000 or more. Location. The back of the house is where the majority of sunrooms are built. If you have multiple options, though, consider how much direct sunlight they will get throughout different parts of the day. Maintenance. Large glass surfaces need regular cleaning to keep them looking great. Aluminum and vinyl framed rooms are resistant to water damage and have much less maintenance requirements and costs than traditionally framed sunrooms. Resale value. A sunroom can boost your home's value, recouping up to 50% of its cost, but only if it's built right. A sunroom can completely transform your home, giving you a bright, inviting space to enjoy year-round. But choosing the right one is key. If you're thinking about adding a sunroom, start by considering your budget, climate, and how you plan to use the space. As we mentioned earlier, to help you get started, download our Sunroom Edition Planning Workbook. You'll find the link in the description. This resource will walk you through every question you'll need to answer to make sure you build the right sunroom for your lifestyle. And if you're ready to take the next step, contact JSB Home Solutions for a free consultation. Our team can help you design the perfect sunroom for your home, lifestyle, and budget. Click the link in the description to get started. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more home improvement tips.